Luxe, BioBidet, and Tushy are all bidets you can buy on Amazon. But which one is actually best for you and your butt? We're gut and poop experts. We've tested dozens of bidets, and today we're breaking down which of these popular Amazon bidets get you the cleanest, comfiest, and happiest post-poop experience. Let's start by breaking down features of each of their beginner-friendly bidets. Let's start with BioBidet. Many models offer single or dual nozzles with adjustable water pressure, and if you go high-end, you'll even get warm water. But for their entry-level bidet, it's all about the basics. Tushy, on the other hand, is where modern design meets function. With their patented Smart Spray self-cleaning nozzles, sleek design, and smooth pressure controls, Tushy gives you a beginner-friendly bidet that actually looks good in your bathroom. The Spa 3.0 model even lets you hook into your sink for warm water. No electricity needed. And their Wave model is a full ergonomical seat with front and rear wash. Then we've got Luxe. Their higher tier models do offer temperature control, but unless you upgrade, you're dealing with a colder, harsher spray. In fact, our team member Carrie said it felt like getting power washed in the worst way. Not ideal. By the way, I'm Monica, and here we talk poop professionally. Let's look at cleaning performance next. BioBidet models offer advanced wash patterns on some models, but many users have also complained about the spray that's either too harsh, too cold, or just hard to control. Luxe offers pressure adjustment, guard gates, and self-cleaning nozzles, but mostly in their newer dual nozzle versions. Tushy has pressure adjustment too. The nozzle spray has proven to be effective and consistent with the smoothest progression of water pressure control versus competitors. Plus, the retractable self-cleaning nozzle keeps things extra hygienic. Some of Tushy's electric models offer oscillating wash too. We also made a video comparing Tushy versus Toto bidets. Be sure to watch that one next. Let's look at quality and durability next. BioBidet gets points for durability, but once you move into higher-end electric options, parts can get harder to replace and harder to repair. How about Tushy? Their models are sleek and durable. Over 18,000 5-star reviews says a lot. And they offer customizable upgrades like bamboo knobs and brash finishes to match your bathroom. Luxe attachments are built to last too, even if their bulkier design won't win the bathroom beauty contest. If you're still trying to understand the difference between bidet seats and bidet attachments, subscribe, because very soon we'll make a video comparing both and reveal which is best for you. Next, installation and ease of use. BioBidet generally has a quick install, and their pricier electric models require an outlet near the toilet, so installation may be a bit trickier there. Tushy claims it installs in just 8.5 minutes, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. I've done it, and my roommate has done it in 6 minutes. No plumber needed. Plus, you get a free 3-piece installation kit in the box. People leave reviews simply about the installation guide and instructions because they find it so funny and helpful. Luxe is also pretty simple to install, like Tushy, especially with their Plus models that hinge for easy cleaning access. But some find the instructions less intuitive for beginners. Want to know the difference between electric and non-electric bidets? Check out this video where we break it all down. Finally, value for your dollar. BioBidet offers their beginner attachments at $42. They have attachments, seats, and full toilets that are luxury packed, which is reflected in their price. Tushy hits the mid-range sweet spot, offering 3 different entry-level bidet attachments starting at just $49, with their Tushy Fresh model spanning to $126 for their non-electric warm water spa 3.0 model. Think sleek design and reliable performance. Luxe is your budget king. Their models start at just $38 and are great for testing the bidet waters. But remember, you get what you pay for. So, which is best for you? If you want the best balance of style, performance, durability, and ease of use, we recommend Tushy. It's beginner-friendly, sleek, and has everything you need without breaking the bank. We've got all your favorite Tushy models linked in the description, including a special discount just for you. Subscribe because we've got a full breakdown coming soon on bidet seats versus attachments and which one you should actually buy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.